Good morning, students. In this session, we will solve a problem on perspective projection. So let us read the question first. So here in this, a square pyramid of base diagonal is 20 mm and diagonal, okay, listen, base diagonal 20 mm and height 25 mm is kept centrally over a square prism. Okay, like this. You can able to see this diagram. So a square pyramid is kept centrally over a square prism. Okay. Of base side 30 and height is 25. Resting base side 30. So here also 30, here also 30. The height is 25. And pyramid also the height is 25 and the diagonal value is 20. So diagonal value is 20. Is resting on the ground plane on a square face like that. Square face means 30. So this square face. Square face. So if you are considering this face means this is not square because height is 25, right? So square face is lying on ground plane. Ground is for the base edges of the pyramid are equally inclined to the picture plane. So the pyramid base edges are equally inclined to the picture plane. Base edges are making 45 degrees to the picture plane. One of the base side of the prism is parallel to the base side is parallel to the picture plane and 10 mm behind the picture plane. Then they are explaining about the station point. Okay. So now we can draw the top view of this. Okay, now with this data, top view nammala varaya mudiyum. So top view looks like a square and pyramid. So here how much mm behind the picture plane? 10 mm. One side is parallel and 10 mm behind the picture plane. So behind means here above, right? How much mm? 10 mm. So take 10 mm. Behind the picture plane. Okay. Behind the picture plane. The distance is, and then the square of side is 30 millimeter, right? So take 30 millimeter in the compass. In the compass. Okay. Then complete the square by drawing perpendicular lines from the edges. So here it is 90 degree. Here also. So now the square is complete. The top view of the square. Then we mark the center point. Then, so here they are giving the square pyramid. Okay, they are giving about the square pyramid, top view. Centrally, okay, first draw the diagonals. Diagonals. So now we got the center point. Now we got the center point. Then draw vertical lines, vertical line and one horizontal line. Now the base diagonal is 20 mm. Base diagonal. So diagonal means this way. This base diagonal. Base diagonal is 20 mm. So measure 20 means divide by 2, take 10 mm. So 10 mm. Now the top view is complete, right? Now these base sides are equally inclined to the HP also. Let us mark the dimensions. So first, okay. Then how to mark the names of the sides? So we shall mark as the top corner point as A, B, C and D. Okay. Then the bottom corner point as P, Q, R and S. And then these points are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I mark it. So now this corner point as A, top view. So this is B, C and D. So bottom corner point is P, Q, R and S. Then these points are named as 1, 2, 3, 4. The center point is 4. So we mark the points also. Then top view we completed. Then look at the station point. One base side is parallel to the picture plane, 10 mm behind the PP. The apex of the pyramid is 30 mm. Apex of the pyramid, this point. Apex of the pyramid is 30 mm right of the station point. So wait. So for that, for this statement, So wait. And then which is station point? They are talking about the station point. Station point is 50 mm in front. So in front value is 50 mm and 60 mm above. Above value is 60. So add these two, you will get 110. Okay. So take 110 mm gap. More than 110 mm. Okay, more than 110 mm. So this is our GM. Then how much above? 60 mm above. This is height side. And how much in front? 50 mm. Now, so I mark these distances. This value is 50. This value is 60 mm above. Then locate E point. It's the apex of the pyramid. First one the apex தான் சொல்றாங்க. Apex of the pyramid. Apex. The apex of the pyramid is 30 mm right. So apex தான் rightல இருக்கு அப்படினு புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். First apex of the pyramid is right. So apex வந்து வலது பக்கம் இருக்கு. அப்ப எது இடது பக்கம் இருக்கு? ஸ்டேஷன் பாயிண்ட் வந்து இடது பக்கம் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். So apexல இருந்து so from the apex, okay, from the apex, so take 30 mm. 30 mm and then draw a line that means this point, this is our E. Okay. So this distance is 30 mm. So listen carefully. The apex of the pyramid is 30 mm right. So apex is right. Apex வந்து வலது பக்கமா இருக்கு. E வந்து இடது பக்கமா இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல நான் லொகேட் பண்ணிட்டேன். Then so we complete. Then என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படினா let us connect E and so before that we draw the front view. So here is top view. So from the top view I project towards down. Okay. Then what is the height of the pyramid? Height is 25 mm. Height is 25 mm. So prism height is 25 and similarly what is the height of the pyramid? Pyramid also height 25 mm. mark at the axis 25 mm. Now we can complete the front view. Okay, now we completed. Okay, we completed. So here we can mark the point also. So bottom means S and P. S comma P. S dash and P dash. So bottom, picking from front, P is visible, S is hidden. So this point is R and Q. R is hidden, R dash, Q dash. And here also A comma D. Okay. A comma D. A dash comma D dash. So this point is C dash comma B dash. So then here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. This point is 4 dash. So we draw the front view also. Draw the front view also. Then what we can do is just E and so this point is E dash. Okay. I draw E to so this point AD. E to I draw E to AD. Then from E dash to A1, E dash to this, come up to here. So this point is A1 dash and B1 dash. So now I bring towards down. So this point is our front view. Okay, A dash. We got 1 point A dash. Similarly, so from here, from B, I draw line, right? From B I draw line, then E to B. So this point is our B1 and Q1 dash. So from here we can draw a line. So this point is our B dash. B. Then C and D. So from C already I drawn. From C, C1. C1. So this point is C1 dash and R1 dash. So from C1 dash, draw the line towards down. So this point is our C dash. Then similarly D also. So D. From E to D. So this point is D1 dash and S1 dash. So from D, so this point is our A, B, C, D. So we got the top corner points. Okay, A, B, C and D. We got A, B, C, D. Now we can connect it. A, B, B, C and C, D. Now no need to darken it. Okay, we draw AB, BC and CD. So next is our bottom points. So bottom point means, so draw the line from here. Okay. Okay. So this is P, from P to E. So here from P, so here P1, bring the line towards the. So this point is our P dash. And similarly from Q I can draw. From Q, it is Q. Then R and S. So from R1, this is our R dash and S dash. So we got bottom corner points also. Right. Okay. Then square is completed. Square is completed. Then go for pyramid. So pyramid, so we can draw the lines. So from here, so first I mark the, just mark the edges PQ. So what are the visible edges? From here I am looking. So these edges are visible, PB and PS. That means PQ and PS. PQ is visible and PA is visible. Then so now the square is completed. Okay, now the square is completed. Then hidden edges, where is R, E, R and S. Then draw for the pyramid. So from pyramid, for pyramid, first I draw the lines from this point, right? So this point, I draw a line like this. Okay. Now from E dash, this is our 1 dash. So here I projected from 1. So this is our 1 dash. Then for 2, This is our 2 dash. Then 3. Three one, right? So this is our 3-1. Four over there. Similarly, do for O also. O. Now we can connect. So leftmost, so here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 and O, right? 1, 2, 3. And rightmost also complete. Then inner will be in hidden edges. So hidden edges means, so we can mark it. That's all. So we completed it.